out. Wow, this is a big one. I will share 5 methods on how to get more leads and customers as a consultant, service provider, coach. And actually should give you some practical examples from things that we have created so you can see actual case studies plus some recent wins from customers. So the first method, we like to call it the self-liquidating funnel. The idea is very simple. So we want to create a digital product or a digital asset that we can sell for a low ticket price from 7 to around 100 euros with upsells, with order bumps to basically generate buyers, not leads. But these are leads basically, but they're buyer leads, so which is a little bit cooler, right? So this is the strategy we use. General idea, you want to have a sales page that communicates the offer. Then you want to do a value stack about the offer, have 1 to 3 order bumps, and then 2-3 upsell, downsell pages after the first one, right? That's basically it. And let me show you an example. So here's one example how 2,000 engineers went from struggling with FEA to running confidence simulations in just 10 days by learning with real projects, not endless theory. So this is a sales page. It has an offer for $100. You can see how it looks. This is a self-liquidating funnel as well. Guarantees, testimonials, frequently asked questions, what you're gonna get, real projects, blah, 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 instructor, blah, 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 reviews, boom, they click here, they go to a checkout page, and here they can just do the checkout, right? Pretty cool. And here you can see actual results. We just launched the customer, the campaigns. You can see already first buyer for just 9 euros, which is really good. And here's another example. This is a self-defense program. This is in German. So this is also what we just recently created. I don't have yet the ads up and running. It's just like slow a little bit internet. There's a picture also. And yeah, this is like value stack. Let me just refresh it quickly. This is the value stack, some bonuses, save 100 euros, what they're gonna get, a little bit about the instructors. And I also think this will work tremendously well. The issue or the things I see with these kind of things to have them really good is, hey, launch them in your own local market, because in the English space, it will be more difficult if it is in a saturated niche. And in a saturated niche, I would say everything about making money online is a little bit saturated. But if you have a unique mechanism or a unique positioning, for example, I help people to build Airbnb businesses, or for example, I do something new, something high, something like that not heard before. It can work tremendously well still, right? But this is a very interesting niche, like self-defense, very interesting. Not many people advertise this, so I think we're gonna launch this customer next week, so I think it's gonna be amazing. And sometimes we have a customer like this. This is a customer that sells sushi. You can see here the many packages. And for this customer, you can see the ROAS is right now 8.9. So we're spending money getting purchases on the website, and yeah, you can see spending 5 euros per sale. Of course, just so you know, also this can be a little bit changing, because not always this tracking is super 100% accurate, but I would say 80 to 90% it's very accurate. So it can be a little bit different. Let's go to the next one. This is, in my opinion, really powerful, very direct, and very good if you want to sell high ticket or something that is a medium ticket, also from 1 to 10,000. I would also say this is perfect. So it is an ad. They go to the page. I like to actually have the video here. I do it a little bit different than many people. Here is the main video, which is actually the offer, which is saying what we do, how we do, and what we do, and what we help with. Then they say, yeah, I want to do it. They click, they fill out, and then they schedule a call with us. So we don't do a big form. We do it very simply. They fill out, we have a lead, and then I would say 60 to 80% of leads actually do schedule a call. Why they sometimes don't, it's like, you know, some delay, the second step is just normal thing. And then they have a congratulation page, and this is like a 3-page funnel, which is a video sales letter funnel. What does the video sales letter funnel mean? This is like the video that basically is kind of selling on the opportunity, selling on the mechanism, and in inviting people to make a move, making a click, doing a stuff, okay? And for us, this basically helps us to get 300 to 500 sales calls per month. You can see we have a two-sided market. We have like a Latvian market, which is natively where I'm from, and then the English. You can see in English how many calls you can see here, right? So it's a lot of calls, right? And then the calendars look like this for our closers, right? This is just for one person. And then with this kind of method, this is the primary method we have used, but I will share 3 more methods with you on how to do the same with similar results, but it has helped us to get actually many deals for our company. Next 2 methods is a quiz funnel, which is, as you can see it's basically enticing people to fill out a quiz. What I have seen, tremendously low lead costs, but the quality many times is not the best. But again, for some people, like I have a friend that sells supplements, and he does this, generating 3,000 to 5,000 leads per month with a lead cost around €5, sometimes even less in the Latvian market, and generating 150K collected per month doing that, which is pretty cool, right? So it's a quiz funnel. I really recommend for niches. I'm also right now testing this, so I don't have it yet set up, but this is something that is working for our customers, and it could work for you as well. Just think about what could you quiz on people on, and what kind of outcome could they get. People would want to have a personalized diet plan, a personalized outcome plan, a personalized. This key thing is personalized for quizzes, personalized. And the quiz, also main thing, having them to just easily click to get further down the quiz, and then at the end just asking for the contact information to receive the result from the quiz. This is a sunk cost, this is like a biased, not pretty sure, it's a fallacy for us. Whenever, this is sunk cost fallacy. So we have invested time clicking these images, like for example, your age, your goal, you just click, and you're investing time, energy into it. And then whenever they ask you their information to receive it, you are more likely to actually do it because you have went so far. But in general, quizzes are really good, and I would recommend you to try them out. The next 4th method, how we can do it, and how I used to do it a lot, it was a group method. So here the basic idea is you're providing some value, you're shooting ads, sharing something that could help the customers, then you're inviting these people, and then you're basically pushing these people who get this material to join a group. It can be a Facebook group, and many people still use Facebook groups, by the way. They're still working. It's not like they're not working. Facebook group, or a school community, or a circle community, or it doesn't matter, but like a community where you can give them this thing, and then this thing you can use to sell your main thing. It's like a community you build with leads. You nurture these people, you share valuable information, you share valuable stuff, you nurture, and then eventually some people will end up buying your main thing, your thing that costs money, and that's how you can get customers. And the last strategy, but in my opinion, the best for testing, the best for launching new offer, and the best to get started as soon as possible with ads. It is the lead gen acquisition playbook, lead gen method. Very simply, we have an ad, which is an elite offer, sexy offer. They click the ad, they fill out a form, they get pushed into our CRM software, which helps you to manage the ads, yes, and leads. By the way, that's called Sharpify app. So this is the software. It's very nice. We develop it for our customers, and you can try it out also online. So very nice. And then you're having leads. These people do not leave Meta by giving their information to you, Instagram, Facebook, sometimes other platforms, but then you can invite them to book a call with you on a third-party software where they can schedule it, right? And that's an amazing thing. And let me share you some results from a customer. So we have a customer named Gudrun, sorry. So here's the customer applying. So already have 50 leads and already 11 meetings booked from this strategy, which I just showed you, okay? And here's another customer. This customer sells touring, traveling. You can see 100 leads with €2.5 per lead with this exact strategy I just showed you. And here's another example. Okay, this is maybe a bad picture, but you can see here the same thing. 100 leads with similar €2.5, but this is a different account. You can see here, different that account, but it's still similar results. And here's one more example where the customer has 100 leads. Okay, this is Latvian. They're just checking with my colleague, but 100 leads as well with the same strategy. So the resume of this strategy, super easy, good way to get traction and have like this feeling that people want me to have me, and it doesn't take so much time to do it. We typically for customers can set this up in 2 to 6 working days, and it's very, very fast. It's very fast to do it, very fast to see some results, and it gives you a good indication of what is this thing which I'm trying to sell is gonna be in demand or not, because you don't wanna waste time, energy, money on building something that the market actually doesn't want. And that's the harsh reality. You want to create something that there already people wanted, and you're just channeling these people to your offer and then selling them your offer, and because people want it, and that's really good. And you want to have something that people would want without even knowing who you are, because the problem is so big, or the desirable outcome which you're promising or selling, it is so desirable that people would want to do it also by even not knowing you, which is ultimately what you want if you want to grow, because you want to go into the audience which does not yet know you. Because most coaches, consultants, service providers, you don't have a huge following or huge audience, and that's why paid ads is a great way to basically put your business on steroids and have getting people to come to you, notice you, and have a proven mechanism to actually making money and just spending X money to get 10X back. That's the goal, right? So hope you like this video. I hope it was interesting. I hope you like the actual examples and just showing some key results from some of our most recent customers. So stay sharp, make a move, and I hope to see you in the next video.